Hello friends, welcome to Quad 6 Creations. So this video is all about how to make glass painting of Lord Krishna for beginners. So before going into the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the pop-up notification on my future videos. So let's see the materials required. First is the glass paints. So here I am using the Fevicryl glass colors which contain 10 shades. So next will be the glass liner, which you can find them in the box itself. So this is the most important one. And next is the copy of the image or design, because we going to trace the image into this OHP sheet. So first let's trace the image with the black glass liner, which I have already shown you, and this is how it looks after tracing it. So let it dry for some time, and after that you can use paint on this liner because it will take some time to get dry. So I'm going to use only few set of colors for this project. So it totally depends upon the image which we are choosing it. So let's get started with the painting. And always remember to start painting from the top portion of the image, especially in this glass painting, because if you start from the bottom you might mess up, because you might also disturb the colors which you have already used in the bottom portion while you working on the top portion. So for best practice, always start from the top portion. And always remember while painting, if you find any bubbles in this glass painting art, we have to remove the bubbles. You can also remove the bubbles with the paint brush. And moreover, the paint brush can also be used for detailing or to merge the colors. And one thing which everyone should remember while painting is, while using brush, don't allow it to dry with the paint on it. Ultimately it will damage the brush and it cannot be used further in future. So always remember that before drying with the brush, always wash the brush completely after using it and then you dry it. And the most important on this glass painting art is never mix water with this glass paints, because already the paint will be in the water consistency, so never mix water with this paint. So if you see, for jewelry I might be using this gold acrylic paint. Even we can use red or green for detailing on this jewelry part. So guys, this is so easy and amazing craft for kids and beginners to learn. So if you need more videos on this art, please let me know in comment section or over the mail. The mail ID is provided in the description. So make sure that all the parts are covered. So I am giving detailing with this acrylic paint. So it will look amazing once the complete painting is done. So now painting is done, but it's not completely ready to put up on the wall. So here if you see, before that I'm going to use this 3D liners, which I already told for detailing on this jewelry. You can use this 3D liners. So now here I'm using this glitter foam sheet as background, because it cannot be put up on the wall without any background. So Fevibond to stick in all the four corners, and you can, for borders, you can use this 3D liners. And to stick onto the wall, use double tape behind the foam sheet and stick on the wall or any doors, so it will look amazing. So now the cute little Krishna is ready. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up. So, and let me know your views on this comment section, how it came for you. So thank you guys, have a great day, bye.